Okay, good afternoon, class, and welcome to our math class. All right, so remember the other week or last 2 weeks, teacher Maria gave you a homework, right? So it's all about problem solving involving time. Do you still remember this homework? Do you still have this homework with you? Okay, I want everybody to listen. So last time I gave you this homework, all right? So today we are going to solve this problem, all right? Okay, so let's start answering this one. So we will start with number 1. So teacher Maria will read first the problem and then I will let you read. Okay, I will choose one student to read the problem number 1. So here's the problem number 1. Kate spent 3 hours and 45 minutes playing volleyball. She finished playing volleyball at 14. At what time did she start playing volleyball? Okay, who would like to read problem number 1? Anyone? Anyone who wants to read problem number 1? Raise your hand. Okay, boom.
Kate spent 3 hours and 45 minutes playing volleyball. She finished playing volleyball.
And you finished.
Finish playing volleyball at 14. At what time did she start playing volleyball?
Okay, class, do you understand the problem? Yes or no? Do you understand the problem? So here, so Kate, she spent 3 hours and 45 minutes playing volleyball. And she finished playing volleyball at 14. So the question here is, at what time did she start playing volleyball? So I'm going to show you the solution, okay? All right, I have a whiteboard here. Just give me 1 second. All right, so let's write first the involved time, okay? So 3 hours and 45 minutes. So this is the duration. This is the time that Kate spent to play volleyball, okay? And Kate finished playing volleyball at 14. So let's find out what time did Kate start playing volleyball. Okay, so here's the solution. But first is, let's make first a number line. Okay, so class, all we have to do is to count backwards or count backward. Okay, so let's start with 14. 14. And then here, 13. And here, 12. And here we have 11. So 14, 13, 12, 11. So remember, we need to get this one first. 3 hours and 45 minutes. So from 14 to 13, this is already 1 hour. Okay, and then from 13 to 12, this is already 1 hour. And from 12 to 11, this is another 1 hour. So how many hours do we have? 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many hours? Class, 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour, how many? Class, anyone? 1 plus 1 plus 1.
3.
3. So that's 3 hours, right? This one, 3 hours. 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour, that's 3 hours. So we still have 45 minutes. So we will count 45 minutes backward. So here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And here is 10. So let's count 45 minutes backward, all right? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So from here up to here, it's 45 minutes. Now, let's try to find out what time Kate started playing volleyball. So we have 10 o'clock here, right? So we have 10 o'clock over here. So let's count 10, 5, 10, 15. So over here is 10, 15. So now we already have the time that Kate started playing volleyball. So the answer for number 1 is 10:15 a.m. So this is the answer, okay? This is the time that Kate started to play volleyball. Kaujay Mai, do you understand? Okay, let's try the problem number 2. Okay, problem number 2, I'm gonna read it first. Scott finished eating at 8:30 a.m. He spent 1 hour and 15 minutes eating. At what time he started eating? Okay, who would like to read for number 2? Who wants to read problem number 2? Raise your hand. Anyone? Who wants to read number 2? This one. Okay, I'm gonna call a name. I want to choose Alpha. Alpha, can you read number 2?
Scott fishing acting at 8:50 a.m. He spent 1 hour and 15 minutes. At what time he started is eating? He started eating at 7:50 a.m.
Okay, again, Scott finished eating at 8:30 a.m. He spent 1 hour and 15 minutes eating. At what time he started eating? So let's try to find out if Alpha's answer is correct. Okay, so let's find out. Let's try to show, or let's try to write the solution. Okay, so again, Scott finished eating at 8:30 a.m. And then he spent 1 hour and 15 minutes eating. So first we have to show, or we have to draw the number line so we can get the time that Scott started eating, okay? All right, so let's make the number line here. All right, so now we will start 8:30, right? So we will count backward. We will count backward. So here we have 8:30, and here we have 7:30, and here we have 6:30. So again, 8:30, this one. So we will count backward. So 7:30 and then 6:30. So from 8:30 to 7:30, that's already 1 hour. Okay, but we still have 15 minutes. So we already have the 1 hour here. So we still have 15 minutes. So we will count 15 minutes backward and we will start from 7:30. Okay, so 5, 10, 15. So from here up to here, this is already 15 minutes, right? So class, this area here, this one is 7:30, right? So what is the number before 7:30? If this is 7:30, what is the number before 7:30? If this is 7:30, if we count backward, what is here? What is the time before 7:30? Look, 7:10, 7:15, 7:20, 7:25, 7:30. So what is the number before 7:30, class? What's this? What is the number before 7:30? Or what is the time before 7:30? 7:25. Okay, so this is 7:25. What about the number before 7:25? What is the number before 7:25? So this is 7:25, right? So what is the number before 7:25? It's 7:20. So 7:25, 7:20. And what is the time before 7:20? Class, listen, if this is 7:30,ใช่ไหม 7:30, Jet Naliga Samsit Nati. What is the number before 7:30? It's Jet Naliga Isip Hanati, ใช่ไหม And what about here? 7 alive.
7:20.
7:20. And then what is the number before 7:20?
7:50.
Very good. So the answer is 7:15. So this is the time that Scott started to eat. Okay, the answer is 7:15 because this one is 7:30, then 7:25, 7:20, and then 7:15. So the answer is 7:15. So this is the answer for number 2. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Understand.
Okay, very
Yes.
good. All right, now kids, get your math textbook and open on this page, chapter 3. Just give me 1 second. Let me share the page for you. Okay, let's try to solve this problem, class. This is on page number, hold on, just give me 1 second. Okay, this page, what page is this? I don't have my book here. This page, can you tell me what page number is it? What page number this is? Page number, alay. I don't have the book here. So
42.
okay, 42, thank you. So open your math textbook on this page. On this page.
42.
Okay, page 42. So look, we have Duan's weekly timetable. So this is the schedule of Duan's weekly timetable for school, right? So as you can see, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And here we have the time. We have 8:30 a.m., 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 12 p.m., and 12:30 p.m. So these are the subjects of Duan. English, he has Thai, he has science, math, citizenship, music, physical education, arts and design, and other subjects. Okay, so we have letters here. We have problems. A, B, C, and D. For letter A, who would like to read? Anyone? Who wants to read letter A? Hit. Letter A, can you read letter A?
How long does your English
Do once.
lesson
Do once.
want English lesson on Monday? Let's.
Okay. Letter B, Sapay.
At what time does he in his breaks every day?
Okay, very good. Letter C, Quang Thu. Quang Thu, letter C. Can you read letter C?
Must one have physical education? Listen.
Okay, very good. Letter D, what about GAM? Letter D, GAM. GAM, are you there? Okay, what about Yada? Letter D, can you read letter D?
How long is one medicine in a week?
Okay, so I'm gonna read one more time. For letter A, how long does Duan's English lesson on Monday last? Letter B, at what time does Duan end his break every day? Letter C, when does Duan have physical education lessons? And letter D, how long is Duan's maths lesson in a week? So let's try to answer this one, okay? So for number one, Duan's English lesson Monday starts at 8:30, right? So as you can see, there's a number line over here. So here, this is the time that Duan started his English class on Monday, that's 8:30. And then it will end at 9:30. So 30 minutes and 30 minutes, that's equivalent to, what's the answer, class? 30 minutes plus 30 minutes. That's equivalent to 1 hour. Okay, so 30 minutes plus 30 minutes, that's equivalent to 1 hour. And 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Okay, so the answer for letter A is 1 hour. Okay, now for letter B, Duan's break starts at 10 a.m. and then each period is 30 minutes. So the question for letter B is, at what time does Duan end his break every day? So class, this is the break of Duan. So he started his break at 10:30, right? And finish at 10:30. Again, Duan start his break at 10 a.m. and will finish at 10:30. So there's like 30 minutes break. So he will finish his break at 10:30. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is Duan's break time. So his break time starts at 10 a.m. So he has 30 minutes break. Okay, he has 30 minutes break. So that means he will finish his break at 10:30. So you just have to add the 30 minutes in this one, 10. You just have to add 30 minutes starting from 10 a.m. So again, his break starts at 10 a.m. and it finished at 10:30 because he has only 30 minutes break. Koljay Mai, do you understand? Okay, I have another example. What if, Teacher Maria, my break starts at 9. Okay, again, Teacher Maria has a break of 30 minutes. And I start my break at 9. So at what time I will finish my break? Again, Teacher Maria will start my break at 9. And my break will last 30 minutes. What time I will finish my break? Who wants to answer? Again, Teacher Maria will start break time. Will start my break, my lunch break at 9. Okay, let's say 9. And I have 30 minutes to break. What time Teacher Maria finishes lunch break? What time? Anyone? Again, Teacher Maria have break at 9 a.m. and I have 30 minutes break. What time I will finish my break? Who wants to answer? Okay, boom.
10 hours and 00 minutes.
Again,
10 hours.
no.
10.
No, only 30 minutes. Again, I have 30 minutes break, Chaimai. My break starts at 9. So what time I will finish my break? Kau Jaimai, do you understand? Again, Teacher Maria will start, or I will start my break at 9, Jaimai, 9 a.m. Okay, look at this whiteboard. I will start my break at 9. And I have 30 minutes break. I have 30 minutes break. What time I will finish my break? What time I will finish my break? Class, do you understand? Yes or no? 9 a.m. Teacher Kin Kao. Gao Naliga. Meal break 30 nathi. Sit leo. Kimong. What time I will finish eating or finish my break?
9:30.
9:30. Very good, boom. So I will finish my break at 9:30. Kau Jaimai, again, I will start eating 9 a.m. I have 30 minutes break. So I will finish my break at 9:30. Kau Jaimai? Okay, very good. All right, letter C. Letter C na. Question for letter C is, when does do one have physical education lesson? So what is the time and what is the day? Do one have physical education? Tuesday and Friday. So let's check Thursday. Where's physical education class? What day physical education? This one, Chemai, Tuesday and
Friday.
Friday. What time? Kimong, what time?
9:30.
9:30. So again, do one have physical education lessons on Tuesday and Friday at 9:30 a.m. เข้าใจไหม
Yes.
Okay, so I have another question. When does do one have music lesson? When does do one have music lesson? What day? What day is his music lesson? What day? His music lesson class, what day? Look at the screen. So here's the music. What day is music lesson?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. And what time?
9 hours.
9:30.
9:30. Okay, very good.
9:30.
Okay, next question. When does do one have science lessons? Science lessons. What day?
Monday.
Monday, very good.
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Friday.
So Duan has science lesson every day. What time he started his science lesson on Wednesday? What time? What time he started his lesson or science lesson on Wednesday? What time?
11:30 a.m. and
11
12
on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it's 11:30 a.m. Okay,
Wednesday.
only Wednesday. What about Friday? What time?
8:30 a.m. and 9 a.m.
Oh, very good. Boom. What about on Thursday? What time do one started his science lesson?
11:30 a.m. and 12 p.m.
Okay, class, I only hear boom. What about the other students? I only hear boom talking. Okay, next question. When does do one have art and design lesson? Again, when does do one have art and design lessons? What day and what time?
Tuesday
Tuesday and
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay, what time he started his lesson on Tuesday for art and design?
10:30 a.m.
10:30 a.m. Very good.
10:30
And what time he started his art and design lessons on Wednesday?
12 p.m. and 12:30 p.m.
Okay, very good. Now another question. Listen, Pangdidi na. When does do one have math lessons? What day and what time?
Monday,
Okay, Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday.
and Friday.
And Friday. Very good. Now, what time do one started his math lesson on Wednesday?
8:30 a.m. and 9 p.m.
Very good. And what time do one started his math class lesson on Monday?
11:30 a.m. and
12 p.m.
12 p.m.
Okay, very good. Now, last question. When does the one have ICT lessons? What day and what time? ICT lessons. What day and what time?
Monday
Monday and?
and Friday.
Okay. And what time?
12:30 p.m.
Oh, very good. Okay, next. Last one. When does the one have citizenship lesson? What day and what time? Citizenship lesson.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, what time, Pete?
9 a.m.
Very good. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Understand?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to answer letter D. Okay. How long is Duan's math lesson in a week? So let's count first, okay? So here 1, here number 2, 3, 4, and 5.
5.
So how many lessons do one, how many math lessons? 5,ใช่ไหม? So that's 5. Okay, very good.
5.
And how many minutes? How many minutes does do one math lesson last? เท่าไหร่นาที for Monday? Monday, okay, Monday, this one.
Monday.
How many minutes?
11:30 a.m. and 12 p.m.
Okay, อันนี้เท่าไหร่นาที how many minutes? From 11:30, 30. Okay, very good. So 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. And what about for Tuesday? How many minutes?
11 a.m. and 11:30 a.m.
How many minutes?
0.
30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes.
30.
Okay. What about for Wednesday? How long?
30.
Yeah, that's 30 minutes
30.
still. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay. And what about for Thursday? How long does he has his math lessons? For Thursday, how many minutes?
30.
30 minutes.
30
30
minutes. Okay, very good. And what about for Friday? How many minutes?
30 minutes.
Oh, 30 minutes. Okay. So now, how many 30 minutes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4, and 5.
5. So there are 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to multiply 5 multiplied by 30. What's the answer?
250.
Okay. How many hours? How many hours? How many hours in 150 minutes? So
2
that is
hours. 2 hours.
Okay, I'm sorry, class. So that's 5, Chaimai. 5. But Monday has 2 math. And Tuesday also have 2 math.
In
And Wednesday also have 2 math, 2 math, and 2 maths. So it's not 5, it's 10. I'm sorry, that's 10
yeah.
times 30.
Mm,
So look at the solution. 10 times 30 minutes.
3.
That's 300 minutes. And how many hours? How many hours in 30 minutes? Oh no, how many hours in 300 minutes? I'm sorry. How many hours in 300 minutes? So that's 5 hours. Again, so 10 math subjects, and each subject has 30 minutes duration. So that's 10 multiplied by 30. That's 300 minutes. And there are 5 hours in 300 minutes. So the answer for letter D is 5. Okay. All right. Now let's try to answer your workbook. Okay, everybody get your workbook. Just give me 1 second. Okay, get your workbook, class, and open on this page. Oh, all right, so open on this page. What page number is it? This one. 3.2, solving word problems. What page number is it? Page number, Alay? Not textbook, workbook, any workbook, okay? So let's try to answer number 1. A fun fair started at 9:30 and lasted 8 hours and 45 minutes. At what time did the fun fair end? Write the time using the 24-hour notation. Boom, can you read this problem, number 1?
A fun fair started at 9:30 a.m. and lasted 8 hours for 45 minutes. At what time did the fun fair end? And write the time using the 24-hour notation.
Okay, so class, let's find out the time the fun fair end. So again, I'm gonna read one more time. A fun fair started at 9:30 a.m. and lasted 8 hours and 45 minutes. At what time did the fun fair end? Write the number or write the time using the 24-hour notation. Okay, let's try to write first the number line, okay? So let's see. So this time we will count forward. So we will count forward. So here is 9:30. Oh. $10:30, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this one is 18, 30. All right, so from here, 1 hour.ใช่ไหม? And then from here, another 1 hour. And from here, another 1 hour. Remember that we have to show this one, 8 hour and 45 minutes. So from here up to here, 1
hour.
Here.
1 hour.
Very good. 1 hour.
1 hour.
Okay.
1 hour. 1 hour.
Okay, so let's count. So we have 8 hours, right? So 1,
Yeah.
2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So up until here. So from here up to here is 8, am I?
Yes.
But we still have 45 minutes. So all we have to do, class, is to, oh wait, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here is 17, 30. And we still have 45 minutes, Shemai. So all we have to do is to add more 15 minutes. So 35, 40, 45, 50, 55,
55.
60. So here it's 18. So we have like, so this one is 45, right? So 17:30, that's 8 hours. So we still have 45 minutes. So what are we going to do with the 45 minutes? So let's just count. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So this one is 18. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that's 8, 15, 18, 15, right? So 17:30, we will add more 45 minutes. So from here, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So here, it's already 18. So we still have like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We still need more to add 15 minutes, which is 5, 10, 15. So from here up to here, that's already 45 minutes. So the time that the funfair end is 18:15. So that's the answer. So write the correct answer, class, 8:15. Hold on. So that's the answer, 18:15. I'm sorry, it's 18:15. Write the answer, this one. Finish? Okay. Now let's proceed to number 2. Oh, okay. For number 2 and number 3, this is gonna be your homework. Okay. Number 2 and number 3, this is your homework. What page is it? This one, 2 and 3. What page number? Can you tell me what page number? This one?
Page 29 and 30.
Okay. So your homework will be on page number 29 and page 30. That's number 2 and number 3. Okay. Are you okay? Difficult, Mai? Easy or difficult?
No.
Who understand? Raise your hand. Okay, Pete, do you understand? Okay, Boom. Who else? Alpha? Yada, do you understand? Okay, so class, that's all for today, okay? So tomorrow I'm going to review this lesson and I will give more examples tomorrow. All right? Okay, thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.